Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've redrawn the penny drop box. I actually added penny drop to it. I moved some things around, but I made a box. I made the dice smaller. My wife thought it was a little bit big. So I made a little crevice or a hole in the box that will hold the dice when you're not using it. And like I said in the other video, you don't have to use the dice. But I'm going to share this file again on my Facebook page, which is Corel Draw File Share. It'll be right here under Files. Click on it. It'll say, I'm going to call it Penny Drop 2. So when you cut this out, these are the pieces for the box. And I don't really totally understand why, but you don't use this piece. You're going to use the piece that's going to fall out of here. So here's your 5 pieces to make up the box. These 4 plus this piece that fell out. So these 2 will go on one side, these 2 will go on the other side, and this one will go on the bottom. This one is not needed. So here's the smaller dice. This is the interior wall that lets the number 6 penny fall to the bottom. Here's the slot so the pennies can come out. And this cutout is just for that box to go down into, because it's just the width of the pennies or the depth of the pennies. So if you haven't cut the other one out, they're equally as nice. I really like this one, and you can change the font. You know, I just picked that font, and it's a pretty interesting game. It's simple, and I think it's a lot better now. And anyway, have some fun cutting it out, but go to Corel Draw File Share. If you're not a member, ask to join, and I'll most likely, unless you have more than 100 pages that you watch, I'll definitely approve you to get in, and then you can get that file. So it'll be right there in the file section. It'll be called Penny Drop 2. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.